Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. I have a small haul for y'all from Burlington, Tjmaxx, and Dooney and Bourke. So let's get started with Burlington. I did pick up these two clips and charms. The one with the little candy on it that says Juicy. And then this one with the JC on there. They're so cute. The little clip has a little pink heart on there with the JC on it. Right there. So yeah, these are two cute little clips and back charms. So cute. And they were $7.99. That's how much they were. So yeah. Next we're gonna move on to Tjmaxx. So Tjmaxx, I got this little cute little pouch right here with the pink and the blue. It was on sale for $3. So I got this to go in a bag that I have coming up. That's how it looks in the inside. Same on the front and the back. So yeah, it's cute. Next, I did find this set right here. And this is the Blue Moon Studio Modern Maker Bag Charm Kit. Right here. And it has one connector chain, one tassel, 2 large charms. So that's how it looks. And it was marked down to $6. So and the last two things that I got from Tjmaxx are charms. So the first charm, I finally found this one. I've been looking for this everywhere. I finally found it. I was so happy. The keychain with the bows on it, and then it has a bow right here. So cute. I was so happy to find it. And it was $12.99. $12.99. I'm still on the hunt for the hot air balloon. I haven't seen that one yet, so. And then the next thing I got is from Eye Candy, Los Angeles, some more charms. And I actually seen these on Everblessed Tasha channel, CT Trending. And it's they're shoe charms, but she had a good idea to use them as charms on your bag, or on your pouches. So yeah, that was a good idea. So I said, if I see them, I'm gonna get them and do the same thing. So that was a great idea. And they were $12.99. So yeah, you get a camera, Eiffel Tower, lips, a wine glass, a wine bottle with 2 wine glasses, a shoe, a purse, and a heart. So yeah, there they are. They're super cute, super cute. And so that is all from both stores. And so next, I'm going to show you what I got from Dooney and Bourke. Okay. So this is the Hobo 25 in pale pink. Okay, it says it on here. Hobo 25 pale pink. So yeah, let's get into the box here. So here it is. So here is the bag. She is so pretty. I thought she was a pretty bag. This is how she looks in the front. the side, then the back, then the other side, and under the bottom. She is so cute. I think she's cute. And I like how the handle is on the top. Yeah. I think she is cute. So I was happy to get her. She was on sale. I forgot how much I paid for her. But yeah. That's her. She is cute. She's like a, I would say a light mauve pink. I would say. Would that be mauve pink? I don't know. I don't know because it's not a light pink. It's yeah, like, I don't know. You can see this is the true color of it. The color you see in the screen, that is the true color of it. Yeah, that's the true color of it. So I don't know. It's pink, but anyway, I like it. I like the shape of it. I like that you just put it on your shoulder. My shoulder bag. I like everything about it. Gold hardware. Yeah, I just like these little edit on the side. I think this looks so cute. Yep, so. And then in the inside, this is how she's looking in the inside. Does have a slit pocket in the back. And, well, no, slit pocket is in the front, sorry. Slit pocket in the front. And then a zipper pocket in the back. Okay. Zipper pocket in the back. All right. It does have a key keeper. Okay. So yeah, this is such a cute bag. Like I said, I liked it when I seen it online. I thought I would order it, and it's just the right size and everything. What's that? Just for me. So yeah, I like it. Well, that is it. That is the end of my little haul. Hope y'all have enjoyed this video. And if you have, please leave me a thumbs up and leave any comments if you want to. And I hope y'all have a good Friday and a great weekend. Until next time, bye.